Hi, my sweets. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do some math facts. We get to do some measuring, and then we're going to do our work for today. So what I would like you to do is open up your packets to Thursday. Looks like this. TH. And we are going to do these math facts together. 62A. You're going to need your pencil and your number line. Today we're only going to be doing the top half, okay? So you're not going to have more to do later. What I would like you to do is write your name at the top very neatly. And be ready with your number line with me. What are we going to do here for the first math fact problem that says 2 plus 5? What's the first thing we're going to do? We're going to circle the plus. So circle the plus. Now it says 2 plus 5, so I don't want to start at 2 and hop 5 more. That would take too long. So I'm going to start at the bigger number. I'm going to start at 5. And the other number I need to hop is 2. So if I touch 5 on your name tag. We're going to hop 2 more. Ready? Go. 1, 2. What number are we at? 7. Now you could do it the other way. You can start at 2 and hop 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're at 7. It just takes longer. Either way is fine. 1 plus 2, what are we going to do first? Circle that plus. I'm going to start at 2 because it's the bigger number. So if I have 2 and it says 1 more and I hop 1 more with me. Ready? Go. 1, 3. 9 plus 2, what do I do? Circle the plus, which means I'm getting more. I'm going to start at 9. I'm going to hop 2 more. Ready? Go. 1, 2. What number are we at? 11. 7 plus 2. What do we do first? We're going to circle the plus. We're going to start at 7 and hop 2 more. So touch 7 and you're hopping 2 more. Ready? Go. 1, 2. What number? 9. 3 plus 2, what do you do? Circle the plus. You're going to touch 3, find 3. You're going to hop 2 more. Ready? Go. 1, 2. What number are you at? 5. 2 plus 2 equals, if you don't remember, hop. Start at 2, hop 2 more. 1, 2. 4. I circled that plus sign. Sorry, I didn't say that. 2 plus 6. What's the first thing I do? Circle that plus. I start at 6. I'm going to hop 2 more. Ready? Go. 1, 2. What number am I at? 8. 2 plus 0. What do I do? Circle the plus. What else do I do next? Cross up that 0. And it stays at 2. 8 plus 2. I'm going to circle that. Plus means I'm getting more. I'm going to touch 8. I'm going to hop 2 more. Ready? Go. 1, 2. 10. 2 plus 4. What's the first thing I do? Circle my plus. I'm going to start at 4. I'm going to hop 2 more. Touch 4. Hop 2 more with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2. What number are we at? 6. My loves, we're not going to do this bottom half. I want you to cross this off because we have plenty of other things to do. What I would like you to do is turn to the next page in your packet. It looks like this. You have this baggie. with these little squares in them. And what I need you to do is carefully tear this baggie off. Where you put your hand on your paper and you pull the baggie off, that's what I need you to do. Okay, so pull that baggie off. And then I need you to get out these three things. I need you to get out a pencil, a crayon, and your glue stick. Your pencil, crayon, and glue stick. So I will show you in just a second. I want you to take out these things. We are going to measure these objects. That's our student learning target. We're going to measure objects using non-standard units. That means we're not going to be using a ruler or a tape measure. We're going to be using something different, like what's in your baggie. Little square pieces of paper. So we're going to use those to measure these three items. So please take these three things out, and you should be on this page. I'll show you what your workstation should look like. Okay, so here's what your workstation should look like. You should have your paper, your packet open to where you see these boxes, because up here at the top it says things we measured. So we're going to be measuring and drawing those items here. You should have your glue stick, your pencil, and your crayon, and your little squares of paper out of your baggie. What we're going to do first is we are going to measure this glue stick. So what I want you to do is turn it on its side. Now when we measure something, we always start right at the edge, okay? You can't start measuring and have what you're using to measure sticking off the side, because now you're measuring nothing. So what you need to do is make sure that when you measure, I don't know if you can see me and this. When you measure, you need to make sure that it's right lined up on the edge, because you want to know exactly how long it is. So if any part is actually like hanging off, then you're measuring like nothing. So you need to make sure it's right on the edge. So my loves, take your glue stick, lay it right on its edge, and what I want you to do is lay these right next to each other. That is not right next to each other. Do you see that space? Now you're not measuring anything because there's a big space in there. So what I need to do is scooch this over so it touches, but I don't want to push this red one off the side. So I need to make sure that they both stay. Right? I'm sorry, my watch is talking. Right where they belong. Now you need to use the same colors as me, but we're just going to measure how long this is. Now I need like another little one, but that's going to hang way off the side. So it looks like our glue stick is about 3 papers long. We're supposed to be using linking cubes, but I don't have any cubes to send home with you. If yours is about 3 paper squares long, give me a thumbs up. Awesome. So what we're going to do now is we need to draw that up here in the top square. So instead of drawing a glue stick, which takes so long, we're just going to make a G for glue stick. So I want you to make a G for glue and an S for glue stick. That's what we measured. And it says how many linking cubes? Well, we didn't use linking cubes. We used pieces of paper. All right, so how many pieces of paper long was our glue stick? 3. So we are going to write a 3. I want you to park your pencil. Now we're going to measure the crayon. So put your papers back in a pile. We're going to measure the crayon. Remember, we start at the edge and we go all the way to the other edge. We don't let any hang off. So take your papers. You can set them on here so that we are measuring. Remember, your squares are right next to each other. There's no space in between them. Okay, and if I put another one there, it's going to be hanging off. So a crayon looks to be about how many squares long? 1, 2, 3, 4. So take your packet. We're going to slide to the right, And in this space right here, we're going to write a C for crayon. So what I would like you to do is make a C for crayon. And how many papers long was it? 4. So we're going to write a 4 on the line. Then we're going to clean up our little workstation. Put these back in the pile. And the last thing that we have to measure is our pencil. We're only going to do 3 things today instead of 4. So what I would like you to do is take your pieces. Now this is going to be the long one. So you're going to have to start right on the edge and make sure that you measure all the way along, not leaving any space between your pieces of paper. Ooh, baby, that one is long. I didn't use this one. I'll give you time to finish. All right, let's count how many squares we have. Maybe we have the same number. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, you might have less if your pencil is used, because then your pencil will be shorter. So if you have less, that's okay. You can write down the number that you have, okay? It doesn't have to be the same as mine right now, because I know your pencil might have been sharpened and it might be shorter, okay? So, my sweets, I'll leave that there. Pencil starts with a P, so what I want you to do is write a P. And it was 9. Mine was 9 linking cubes, or 9 pieces of paper. So what I want you to do is write how many pieces of paper long was your pencil. And then you can cross off this last one. My loves, you can clean up your spot. You can put your pencil away. You can put your little squares back in your baggie, put your crayon away, put your glue stick where it belongs. And my sweets, we just met our learning target for today. So what we did is we measured objects, a glue stick, a crayon, and a pencil, using non-standard units, using not something that's like a ruler or tape measure that people usually use. That's what non-standard means. We use things that people don't usually use. We use pieces of paper, didn't we? So we measured these items using those pieces of paper. My sweets, I would like you to turn to the next page where it says, oh, I'm sorry, I turned one too many pages. You're going to turn to the next page where it says 62A. And we're going to do this together. Now, what I need you to do is I need you to keep your pieces of paper close by because we're going to be measuring this line using them, okay, my sweets? So, please write your name at the top. We'll be writing the date and the day of the week together. Oh my. All right. You should be done with your name, which means you can start writing our month and our date, which is January 7th, 2021. So what are you going to write first in January? And you're going to write a J. So write uppercase J, lowercase a, lowercase n, U. What letter comes next? U. January. What two letters say air? A, R. January, E. The letter Y. Stole that E sound. Then what number do you need? Today's the 7th. Then your cute little comma. And then 2021. So you need to write a 2, a 0, a 2, and a 1. Then for the day of the week, today is Thursday, so my turn first. Thursday, 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 T-H, T-H. So we need to write T, uppercase T, lowercase h, U-R-S, U-R-S. Now we need to write those letters, U, R, S. D-A-Y, D-A-Y, Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. All right, we need to write D, A, Y. All right. I went too fast and giving you time to finish. What number do you see there at the top of the paper? A 5 and a 6 make 56. What I would like you to do is trace your 56s, and you're going to make them 3 more times. Make sure your 6 curls all the way up to that middle line. It should go all the way down to the bottom, both of your numbers. All the way from the top, all the way to the bottom. Then we're going to need to count by 2s. So when you're done, I want you to take your 2 fingers and count with me. You have to write how many digits are on the line, how many numbers are on the line. Count with me. Ready, set, go. 2, 4, 6, 8. So take your pencil, you need to write 8. Then park your pencil, please, so you have nothing in your hands. I'm going to turn this down. All right, it says Clara, nothing in your hands, has a box of 8 crayons. Jennifer has the same number of crayons in her box. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show how many crayons the girls have. So it says Clara has 8 crayons. Are crayons easy to draw? Crayons. What letter starts crayon? C. So let's make 8 C's. Make 8 lowercase c's with me. Ready? Go. 1. Not too big. Make sure you have 8. Then it says Jennifer has the same number. So if she has the same number, how many crayons does she have? She has 8 too. So draw a line because she has 8 more. So now we need to draw 8 more crayons. Ready? Go. Double check, make sure you have 8. All right, now we need to write a number sentence. How many crayons did Clara have? 8. So we're going to write 8. What sign do I need? I made a line because I made more. What sign means I have more? Some more. Plus. 8 plus, how many more crayons did we draw? How many did Jennifer had? She had the same as Clara, right? So she had 8. So 8 plus 8. Then I need my equals. How many all together? Do you know that doubles fact? If not, let's count. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How do I write 16? A 1 and a 6. So how many crayons do the girls have now? 16. My loves, here's now when you're going to take out your squares of paper, and you are going to start at this dot, and you're going to line them up all the way to that dot and tell me how long that line is. Now, I can't do it up here because it's going to be bigger. I'm going to do it on my little page. So we're going to do this together. You're going to do it on yours right now, and I'm going to do it on mine. Start at the black dot. Put your pieces of paper on that line so they're touching. Supposed to be using linking cubes, but you don't have any at home. All right, how many pieces of paper did you fit on this line? I found that 6 fit on there. So right here on this little line where it says blank linking cubes, you're gonna write 6. I hope you also found that 6 fit on that line. All right, I'm gonna put my pieces back in my baggie so I don't lose them. All right, my sweets, it says write the number that is 1 less and 1 more. So you need your name tag. Look, you're at 16. What number is 1 less than 16? If you took 1 away, so take 1 away, hop back 1. 1. What number is 1 less? 15. So I need to write 15. A 1 and a 5 makes 15. 15, 16, 1 more makes 17. A 1 and a 7. Now we're going to do the same thing for 9. Here's the number 9. What number is 1 less than 9? If I take 1 away, hop back 1 with me. 1. 1 less is 8. 8, 9, 1 more makes 10. Now 30 is not on our name tag, but 20 is. So what always comes before a T number? Number that ends with a 9. Yeah, so we know this number is going to have a 9 at the back. Now what numbers come before 30? 10, 20, 30. So, 20. So what number comes before 30? 29. What number means 20? 2. So 1 less than 30 is 29. So 29, 30. 1 more makes 31. You got it, a 3 and a 1. All right, my loves, we're going to write the odd numbers. You can use your name tag for this too. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Skip 6 right, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Skip 8 right, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Skip 10 right, 11. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Skip 12 right, 13. All right, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Skip 14 right, 15. Here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Skip 16 right, 17. Last one. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, skip 18, right? 19. My sweets, what I would like you to do, since you don't have to finish the rest of your math facts at all, is I want you to do these by yourself here at the bottom. They are all minus. So what I would like you to do is draw an arrow right here on top, back, back. You are hopping backwards for every single one of these. They're all minus. Okay, my sweets? Please upload this page. Please upload what you measured and the top half of your math facts for me, okay, to the blue math folder. I love you. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.